it's Max the Miner, and I'm here with C.R. Allen, the National Sales Manager for Phillips, and we're here today to talk a little bit about this shuttle cart. C.R., could you tell me a little bit about, I guess, some of the improvements that have been made to this particular piece of equipment that puts it, I guess, a step above the competition?
Well, Phillips designed this technology. We started out in the year 2000. And what you see here is what we call our high-capacity version of our shuttle car. Basically, what we've done is we've found a way to take the box and add about 20% more capacity to it, and it's been very successful. Most of the cars that we build in our workshop now have this design. This car is unique for the MINExpo. We've added a lot of extra technology to it, just besides just the high-capacity design. So
when you talk about high capacity, are you talking about a beefier construction of this particular piece of equipment, or it's just a broader?
What we're talking about is that this vehicle is about 30 feet long, and,
okay.
and the units before had a capacity of, say, about 14 tons. This car is also the same length, but it has a capacity of about 16 tons.
Okay.
So we've increased the capacity of the car. The philosophy is more tons per trip equals more profit.
All right.
And in our world, in the mining world, the less trips you make to the miner, the more profit you'll make at the end of the day.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you were also talking about some of the technology that's built into this equipment?
We've this year at the MINExpo, we're introducing what we call MineSmart by Phillips. The MineSmart is a collection of mechanical, hydraulic, and electrical improvements that we made to the car, all geared towards improving production, reliability, and most of all, safety.
Mm-hmm. And how does that add to the safety component of this? I mean, what does that do?
Well, built into the car we have proximity detection, so that if other miners are in close proximity to the car will slow down or even stop, so that nobody will be hurt. The machine has the onboard Wi-Fi communication, so it's connected to the internet, and it sends out information about the health of the car. So if there was something that was about to malfunction, then the operator would either be warned or someone outside would be warned, and you could stop the driver before he had a problem.
So you're always able to monitor that remotely then?
Yes, you log in use a simple website address and a username and password. Even the cameras will be visible, and you'll be able to see what he sees as he's going back and forth down the roadways.
Okay. Is there anything that in particular that you'd like to point out on this? I mean, should we take a walk around it?
We can walk around, and I can show you some of the electronics that we have here. What you see here is our newest electronic package. In today's world, the buzz is VFD. So here you see the VFDs that make all the motors operate. Here's a diagnostic display that shows you the health of the electronic parts on the car and some of the other features. So all of this is new. These devices here are part of the parts that are required to do the Wi-Fi. You can see an antenna here that basically, transmits the data off the machine.
Okay.
The machine is four-wheel drive, full-time four-wheel drive, four-wheel steer. It has four-wheel independent suspension, so that when you're going across really rough terrain, all four wheels move independently, and the operator has a nice soft ride as he's doing the mining cycle. You can see here is a load indicator that tells the operator when the car is full.
Right.
He doesn't even have to really pay attention now. He can watch his lights and he can see whether it's full or not.
Okay.
If you move back here to the operator station, you can see the safety improvements that we have here. The machine is fully remote controlled. The operator can get off of the machine with his remote control.
Really?
and stand back and operate it at reduced speed.
Okay.
Which is a safety feature when you're mining in areas where the roof support is poor.
Right.
So he can stand back along with the miner operator and be safe.
Okay.
You can see here in the operator's compartment the views of the cameras. so the blind spots that are on the opposite side of the operator are viewable even in the dark
Right.
by the operator sitting
Right.
in the compartment. So those are some of the really major improvements that we made. Again, everything is for safety. And
Yeah, it seems like safety is really a key component or objective in what you guys have done to this.
Safety is the most important. You know, we got to have production, we got to
Right.
make money, but one accident would wipe out any production improvements that we
Exactly.
can give them. Yeah.
That's great. Well, I really appreciate your time today, CR.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.